Hey there everybody, this is Will from Avalon Services. Just want to show you something. Whenever I'm cabling or whenever I'm doing a drainage line, sometimes I'll tell people, hey, you got some sludge in the line. And then they don't necessarily understand exactly what that means. I explain it as best as I can, and what it is it's decayed food particles, fats, all that stuff that goes on the inside of the pipe, and it just starts to almost like clog your arteries. So you're clogging your sewer lateral. The way to remove that is jetter generally, or cutting out the pipe and fully replacing it. Let me show you what it looks like when it's dried sludge and not wet sludge. As you can see right there, right here, this stuff is all just dried sludge. And that stuff is, if you look all the way down, you see how it's almost taken up a full inch or so, maybe a half inch of the bottom of the pipe. When everything runs over here, sometimes you'll get even more buildup to where it'll cover almost all the pipe, or you'll get like a little hole and everything will clog in right there because it's no longer a 4-inch diameter, it's now a smaller diameter. So everything clogs up and get all back here. So when we jet it, it'll scrub out all that stuff because it's high pressure. Scrubs out all that crap or crud, and then leaves you with a better pipe. Now this pipe is just old, really old, and our client is having us replace it all. But as you can see, this thing was clogged with rust. It's hard to get rid of that stuff with a jetter. There might actually just be hair there, but yeah. Bad news bears. We're replacing with some beautiful new pipe. Thanks for watching, guys. Again, this is Will from Avalon Services. Have fun plumbing.